Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick Figma tutorial. If you're a designer who's constantly battling a cluttered workspace, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to hide sidebars in Figma 2025, a simple trick that can make your interface cleaner and more efficient. Whether you're working on complex projects or just need more screen space, hiding sidebars is a game changer for boosting focus and productivity. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Figma open and are logged into your account. Once you're in your project, head over to the top menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, and View. Click on View. In the drop-down menu, look for the Hide Sidebars option. It's usually towards the bottom. Give it a click, and watch as your sidebars slide away, freeing up valuable real estate on your screen. For a quicker method, Figma offers keyboard shortcuts that save you even more time. On Windows, try Ctrl+Shift+H, and on Mac, it's Command+Shift+H. Test this out in your project. It might vary slightly based on your settings, especially in the 2025 updates. If it doesn't work, go to Edit, Preferences, Shortcuts to customize or verify your keys. One handy tip. Hiding sidebars is perfect for full screen mode or when you're deeply focused on prototyping, but don't worry, you can easily bring them back by repeating the same steps. Keep in mind that in Figma's 2025 version, there might be additional customization options, so explore the View menu for any new features. There you have it, hiding sidebars in Figma is a straightforward way to streamline your workflow. Give it a try on your next project and see the difference. If you enjoyed this tip, hit that like button and subscribe for more design hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.